Buying crypto for the first time can feel confusing. New words, too many buttons, and the fear of doing something wrong. Coinmama was built for this exact moment. Coinmama started with one simple idea. If money is for everyone, buying digital currency should be too. No confusing language, no unnecessary steps, just a clear way to get started. Coinmama breaks the process into simple steps. You always know what's happening and what comes next. No surprises, no hidden screens. Simple doesn't mean careless. Coinmama focuses on safety without making things complicated. Clear rules, secure systems, and transparency every step of the way. Sometimes, people just need help. That's why Coinmama backs technology with real humans. Support you can talk to, answers you can understand, no bots and runaround. Everything at Coinmama is guided by values. Being customer-centric, keeping things simple, working as a team, and doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. Coinmama isn't here to rush you, it's here to help you understand, feel confident, and move at your own pace, because the future of money should feel human.